In the world of high-altitude jobs, efficiency and safety are paramount. From wind turbine maintenance to power line repairs, these tasks often involve repetitive climbs and descents, demanding a balance between effectiveness and worker well-being. Join us as we delve into a lineup of cutting-edge construction tools that are revolutionizing the industry. Skylotec ACX. Fixing wind turbines and power lines at heights requires specialized equipment. The Skylotec ACX winch offers a safer and quicker alternative. With a remarkable lifting capacity, it covers the height of the Eiffel Tower in just 12 climbs. Remote control capabilities, impressive speeds, and long-lasting power make it an indispensable solution. Trimble XR10. Microsoft's Trimble XR10 is a game-changer in the construction world. Built upon the HoloLens 2 design, this mixed reality headset is tailor-made for dusty and noisy environments. With 2K resolution and exceptional sound quality, it's a groundbreaking tool that seamlessly integrates digital information into the physical workspace. EksoZeroG. EksoZeroG exoskeleton takes the strain out of heavy lifting. With a robotic arm capable of effortlessly handling up to 16 kilograms, it boosts efficiency and reduces worker fatigue. Its applications extend beyond construction, promising a significant impact on industries like mining and metallurgy. HP SitePrint. HP brings automation to the forefront with its SitePrint robot. This innovative tool expedites the process of translating digital layouts onto various surfaces, boasting efficiency that outpaces human capabilities by tenfold. Cloud technology enables remote control and coordination for multiple projects. TeraTrak R1. The TeraTrak R1 is a groundbreaking mapping tool for horizontal directional drilling. Designed to ensure accurate layouts, it operates effectively without GPS, guaranteeing precision within centimeters. Its durable construction, impressive battery life, and portability make it an indispensable asset. Illumagear 6 Sense plus Halo SL. Illumagear introduces a game-changing safety solution with 6 Sense. Providing enhanced visibility in hazardous environments, these wearables offer effective communication while illuminating workspaces. With adjustable sound and Bluetooth compatibility, they're a safety-conscious worker's dream. Sonetics. Communication is key on construction sites, and Sonetics delivers a breakthrough solution with noise-canceling respirators that ensure comfort and clear communication. This tool enhances safety and efficiency. The detachable visor and fob-free design further contribute to its effectiveness. Trimble Ri. Surveying and measuring distances just got easier with the Trimble Ri Total Station. This automated robotic version streamlines the process, cutting operating time in half. Versatile and robust, it operates in various temperatures and offers remarkable mobility. Geda AkkuLeiterLift. Solar energy enthusiasts rejoice with Geda's AkkuLeiterLift. This hoist simplifies solar panel installation, accommodating up to 120 kilograms. With adjustable lifting height and impressive speed, it's a must-have tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. ExoHeaver. ExoHeaver's exoskeleton series redefines heavy lifting in various industries. With lifting capacities of up to 80 kilograms, these exoskeletons provide much-needed support for physically demanding tasks. From construction sites to mines, they enhance both efficiency and worker well-being. ForgedAir respiratory protection gets a makeover with ForgedAir's respirators. Featuring expansive filters and fog-free visors, they offer optimal breathing and communication in challenging environments. Versatile and adaptable, these respirators are a game-changer in hazardous conditions. Pezzol Rambler Fast. Italian craftsmanship meets functionality with Pezzol Rambler Fast Work Boots. Crafted for durability and style, these boots offer protection against various hazards. With puncture resistance, waterproof features, and impressive resilience, that ensure worker safety without compromising on aesthetics. Makita PEC01/1200 Backpack Battery System. Makita's backpack battery systems redefine power on the move. With compatibility across multiple tool platforms, these backpacks ensure continuous power supply. From charging smartphones to supporting power tools, These systems provide convenience and versatility. Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Magnetic Wristband. Klein Tools introduces a simple yet ingenious solution for tool management. The magnetic wristband keeps bolts, nuts, and screws within arm's reach, eliminating the need for constant retrieval. Lightweight and practical, it's a must-have accessory for every construction worker. Join us in exploring these groundbreaking tools that are shaping the future of construction. From enhancing safety to boosting efficiency, these innovations are propelling the industry forward. Stay tuned for more remarkable solutions on Tech Tonic.